Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done. First thing, just some house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that line. Yeah, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now and from the presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support, or resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that actually played out perfectly today. So on Monday, you can see it was an area of resistance. Today, the price got above it, pull back, and you can see right where the price got the bounce from. So, I mean, you could throw this literally into a technical analysis textbook if you wanted to. Great example there. And also why 255 is going to be that ideal level of support. Ideal meaning if the price can stay above there, that would definitely make the chart look the best. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 255, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, it continues to be all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 255 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? As far as where the sellers are at, key level right there at $2.63, and that is essentially the area that was rejected. Right around 4 times. I realized the price didn't hit it exactly, but close enough. So 263, public enemy number 1 going forward. We just focus on continuing to chip away and build those higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.